Hello, good morning, Diamond Crew. I'm back with another video. Smash that subscription bell, that subscribe button, and hit the like button. And let's get rolling with the second video of this morning of August the 4th. This is a senior coordinator talent acquisition position, and the category is training. And the address is 151 Farmington Avenue, location Hartford, Connecticut, fully remote job. The description and position is remote with a preference in Connecticut or Rhode Island. Working hours will be Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. No weekend or company holidays will be required. Candidate must be required to go into their local office 1 to 2 times per month. CBS Health has an exciting opportunity for a senior talent acquisition coordinator. As the senior coordinator for the enterprise search talent acquisition team, you will contribute to the overall success of a highly efficient team. You will serve as the team liaison that supports hiring in our most critical business areas. Responsibilities include preparing and reviewing operational audits, managing accuracy of employee data, tracking of our contingent workforce, providing administrative support, organizing meetings, travel coordination, calendar management, presentation preparation, and participating in work focused on delivering efficiencies and innovations to drive the team's operations. Additional responsibilities include increasing team engagement through initiatives such as the Enterprise Search newsletter and networking sessions, improving processes as the team change ambassador, acting as the subject matter expert of onboarding and offboarding procedures, provide troubleshooting support and escalations for various issues, meticulous record keeping and reporting on employee data, including organizational charts, employee rosters, and distribution. Collaborate with teams to create consistencies and congruencies. I haven't seen that word in a while. Congruencies across teams. Support as executive director in cross-team communications and initiatives. This position is a highly impactful role and interacts with the executive director and other senior leaders, VP and above, within the organization. This exposure affords you the opportunity to showcase professionalism, driven approaches, and organizational savvy. You will accomplish this by having a strong attention to detail, customer service skills, and proven time management strategies. Building and maintaining relationships with internal clients and hiring managers at all levels through communication and collaboration. Managing multiple tasks with minimal supervision. Problem solving and exhibiting the ability to make independent quick decisions. Excuse me. That it came out of nowhere because it says quick decisions. Okay, leveraging your technology skills to navigate TA systems and Microsoft tools. Making independent decisions daily and addressing the best way to handle specific tasks. As the senior coordinator of talent acquisition, your success will be determined by the efficiency and speed in which you can support the team's operations. Your ability to be a self-starter with experience building strong relationships and a passion of both the approach and execution will contribute to your success. In this role, you will support a team of a full lifecycle recruiters, focusing on hiring top talent within our enterprise. You will operate in a fast-paced, independent yet supportive environment where the team works in partnership and inspires each other. You will also work with other groups such as University and Diversity, TA Operations, plus the Technology and Recruitment Marketing team, establishing CVS Health as the company who is transforming healthcare in the marketplace. In this role, you will be an integral member of the enterprise talent acquisition team, focused on strategically critical, difficult to fill roles that company leaders decide will make the best difference in our competitive advantage. This team is responsible for strategic niche search compatibility that prides itself on developing strong networks with referrals and engaging otherwise unavailable talent in roles that are critical to our business. The contributions you will make as a senior coordinator of talent acquisition will elevate the team around you and help find quality talent who wants to transform healthcare and help people on their path to better health. The contributions you will take as a talent acquisition coordinator will help make the talent acquisition enterprise first in class. The typical pay range for this role is the minimum is $18.51 per hour, and the maximum pay it will be $33.65. Please keep in mind that this range represents the pay range for all positions in the job grade within which this role falls. The actual salary offer will take into account a wide range of factors, including location. Required qualifications: 2 years of experience working full-time in a client's customer support role, 2 years of experience using Microsoft Outlook, calendar, and email correspondence, 2 years experience in a corporate setting, 2 years experience in a support or coordination function, 2 years experience with Microsoft Office suites, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, applicant tracking systems, and CRMs. COVID vaccination requirements. CVS Health requires certain colleagues to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19, including any booster shots if required, where allowable under the law, unless they are approved for a reasonable accommodation based on disability, medical condition, religious belief, or other legal recognized reasons that prevents them from being vaccinated. You are required to have at least one COVID shot prior to your first day of employment and to provide proof of your vaccination status or apply for a reasonable accommodation within the first 10 days of your employment. Please note that in some states and roles, you may be required to provide proof of full vaccination or an approved reasonable accommodation before you can begin to actively work. And preferred qualifications: prior experience using an applicant tracking system, ATS, and 1 year of experience working within human resource function, and 1 year leveraging Excel, excellent operational talent management skills, and ability to cope well with a high volume of work. Demonstrate interpersonal, written, and verbal communication skills. Experience work in talent acquisition, recruitment, human resources, must have very strong attention to detail customer service skills and proven time management strategies, ability to build and maintain relationships with internal customers and hiring managers at all levels, ability to manage multiple tasks with minimal supervision, and exhibit ability to make quick decisions, tech savvy ability to navigate systems and internet sites, problem solving and independent decision making skills. Education, high school diploma or equivalent in is accepted with 6 years of work experience. Bachelor's degree is strongly preferred, but is not required. Business overview, they tell you about Cbs Pharmacy and everything, and it also tells you it's an equal opportunity employer. And if you have any type of issues filling out your job application, you need any type of help or assistance, then they'll help you with everything that you need to go through. Just if you have any technical issues or any employee questions, they have requests for accommodations right here, and they have advice and counsel at cbshealth.com. So get into it, if you like this job. This is it for this video. This one job right here from Cbs Pharmacy is a senior coordinator, talent acquisition. Good luck. It's a fully remote position. You'll have to be required to go in once or twice per month, and it's working hours from Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. through 5:30 p.m. Preference is remote, preference in Connecticut and Rhode Island. And the location is Hartford, Connecticut. And that's it for this job. And that's it for this video. Good luck. You diamonds, keep on rocking it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.